In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new team in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to bring the right people into your new team with confidence. Start in your Asana workspace. This is the home base where all your projects, tasks, and conversations live. If you're part of more than one workspace or organization, glance at the top of your screen to make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. Being in the right place ensures your new team appears where your colleagues expect to find it. Next, look for the Teams area. You'll usually find it in the left-hand sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the sections clearly. Within that panel, there's a Teams tab or header that groups all teams in your workspace. This is where you'll manage team-level settings and discover existing teams you can join. From there, select Create Team. This opens a setup window that guides you through the essentials. If you don't see the option, it may be due to permissions set by your admin, but in most cases, it's available and easy to spot. Now give your team a clear name and set its privacy. Choose a name that reflects the group's purpose, like marketing, product design, or Q4 launch. Add a short description if prompted to provide context for teammates who discover the team later. For privacy, you'll typically choose between making the team visible to your entire organization or keeping it private, so people must request or be invited to join. Use a public team when transparency and cross-functional visibility are helpful. Choose private when you're handling sensitive work or want tighter control over membership. You can change these settings later if your needs evolve. Finally, invite members to join. Enter their work email addresses or select people from your organization's directory. Consider inviting the core group first so the team structure is set before bringing in a broader audience. Adding a short welcome note can help new members understand the team's purpose and what to do first. Once you send invitations, people will receive a notification and the team will appear in their sidebar after they accept. That's it. You navigated to your workspace, found the Teams section, created a team, named it, and set privacy, and invited the right people. With your team in place, you're ready to organize projects and coordinate work more effectively. If anything changes, remember you can revisit the team settings to refine the name, description, privacy, or membership at any time.